Welcome to the spot where we're going to change your pain internally. So, like I said in the welcome video, is that pain comes from a couple of different things. The actual process that pain is in our body is we have something physical that happens to us. Chemicals float into that area and create an inflammatory response. And those chemicals actually send signals up to our brain where our brain perceives that something's painful. So, at the root cause, pain is a chemical issue. We want to combat that in this program because month one, we want to be the least amount of pain possible so that we can get as functional as fast as possible. We want a fast effort, right? So, the starting point for that is an apple cider vinegar drink. And this is an amazing, amazing, amazing thing. I call this the magic potion in my office because quite literally, this was one of the catch-all things that I could get a vast majority of my patients on, and it made massive, massive results for them. So the magic potion drink is 16 to 20 ounces of water. You're going to put 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. In this type of apple cider vinegar, I'll get a little closer here. It's got the mother in it. That's really critical, and it should be cloudy. It shouldn't be like a clear apple cider vinegar like some of the cheaper ones. So get the organic, get the stuff with the mother. Anyways, you're going to put 2 tablespoons of that into the drink. As you start to acquire taste for it, you can actually add a little bit more. But we're also going to add in pink Himalayan salt. Yes, pink Himalayan salt. And we're going to add like a half to a full spoon of Himalayan salt into this drink, and then half of a fresh lemon. I'm going to squeeze that in. We're going to stir it up really good and chug it down. Now, at first, I can tell you this is pretty gross for most people, but once you start to acquire the taste for it, it actually becomes really addictive and your body starts to crave it. The importance of this drink is that this gives you all of the minerals and all of the nutrition, changes the acidity of your body so that all of those chemicals that are causing pain start to go down. It's a massive, massive game changer for your body. The second thing of nutrition is this is included in the package is that this magnesium supplement, which is magnesium glycinate, not to be confused with the citrate form. Citrate is for your bowels. This is what we take when we're constipated. Magnesium glycinate is actually our natural muscle relaxer. It's very specific to pain relief and relieving the tension in the muscle tissues. And this is why it's so critical for people with foot pain, is because there tends to be stale, stagnant blood down there. We don't get the chemicals in and out very well, and therefore our tissue becomes very tight. And neurologically speaking, we get zingers, and this is where a lot of pain comes from. So this is another magic thing that I would do in my office where a vast majority of people get almost immediate day or two relief from this type of supplement, which is why we included it in this. What we want to do is we're going to start kind of by loading up our bodies with it. So taking 2 pills in the morning, 2 pills at lunch, and 2 pills before bed. Now the good news is that you cannot overdose on this. They actually give you an IV of this in the hospital, and it would be about 10 bottles of this at one time when they give you an IV of it. So it's a safe and effective type of supplement. But with that being said, is that it allows for a lot of flexibility. So if we start off with 2 pills 3 times a day and we don't feel anything, we can try 3 pills 3 times a day. And then as we start to feel better, we can adjust back down. This is what I call a real-time supplement, in that it's really based off of how we're feeling that day. And when you start to get good at feeling your body down the road, once we get pain relief, continuing on a supplement like this based on the day-to-day basis of you're feeling tight or dehydrated or something of that nature, this is one of those miracle supplements. All right, so this is attacking our foot pain from a nutrition standpoint and is the basis of the program. The apple cider vinegar drink, I want to make sure that you get that in once a day, preferably in the morning, and then 3 times a day with this magnesium supplement, 2 pills 3 times a day. Start with that and let's see how it goes.